Hey guys, today is a vlog style video. I am going to be getting some new shelves for my polishes and we're gonna kind of put them together. I have to say I cannot claim this idea. I saw it on Isabel May Nails, so make sure you follow her because she has a lot of awesome stuff on her YouTube channel and her Instagram. So we're gonna kind of go to Ikea today. And there is the husband getting his screwdriver. We're gonna go to Ikea and we're gonna go to Home Depot and hopefully it'll work out to make these shelves that you use like a picture ledge. I don't know if you guys know picture ledges. It looks like a shelf, but it's just to put a picture frame on. But you'll kind of see, hopefully it'll work out because I am running out of space on my walls and my drawers are like filling up and I absolutely need more storage and more space for my polishes because it's like driving me crazy. So that is what we're doing today and I'm gonna take you guys along. So hope you enjoy the little journey here today. Okay, so we're at Home Depot first, your favorite place, and we're looking for cable trunking. That is what Isabel described it as on her Instagram, so that is what we're looking for. I don't know if it's called something else in the US, but we're gonna look. And then maybe they can cut it, right, to the right size, because I have the measurements of the picture ledges that are at Ikea. So that's what we're looking for, and anything else that we might find in Home Depot. Okay, we got the cable trunking. It was in the electrical cord management area of Home Depot and it was a little bit more expensive than I thought it was gonna be. It was $75 for enough to do 4 shelves, so 3 per shelf, so there's 4 in a pack, so I got 3 packs because I know I can't fill 4 shelves right now, but I feel like I probably will eventually, so I might as well just get the extra shelves. And so it's about $75 and I just got it anyways. So now we're going to Ikea and we need to get gas first, and we're going to Ikea to get the shelves and maybe some lunch, so hungry, and I hope it works out. Actually the pack that I bought is already like the size of the shelf, so I don't think I'll have to cut them or anything like that, and they're like have sticky pads on them so you can like stick them down to stick them to the shelf. Unless you guys have seen what I'm talking about, it probably sounds really weird, but you will see in a little bit. So now it's off to Ikea. We made it to Ikea after some lunch, some wings. You got your wings?
I'm so filled.
Okay, so this is my current setup. I'm back at the salon, and I did about 8 months ago switch salons. I moved to a different salon, so it's gonna look a little bit different than it did in my nail station salon tour video. So this is the new space. I'll probably have to do like an updated nail station tour area. So this is my new area, and this is what I'm currently working with. So I have the two like plastic, these two clear racks, and they hold about 90 regular size bottles each. And there was polishes on here, but I've kind of like testing out what we got. So I've got two of those, and I've got this for all of my glitters, has most of my like magpie glitters. But these are like both 100% full. And then I also have like down here has all of my luminary stuff, and it's just been sitting in this drawer. So I have other stuff in these drawers that really need a home. So these are the picture ledges from Ikea, and this one, it's called, let's see, that is the name, Moslenda. So we got 4 of these. They're about $14.99 each. And then these are the cable covers that we got to kind of make different tiers on the shelves. So this is what this looks like, and you kind of stick it on the shelf to create tiers. So in Isabel's video that she had on Instagram, she put 2 in the back to create a high tier, and then 1 in the middle, and then none in the front. So you had 3 rows of polishes that all went up a tier. But the picture ledge that I got from Ikea actually cannot fit. I tried it without the little cord cover. It actually cannot fit 3 bottles in a row. And I checked out like Target online just to see if anybody else had any other picture ledges, but it seems like pretty much the standard size is like 4 inches. These are almost 5 inches. I think they're like 4 3/4 inch in depth. So I just decided that this is fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna have 1 of the little cord covers in the back to create a tier. And so I'll probably have just 2 rows like this, but my little mini bottles can actually still fit. So I can have 3 rows if I have mini bottles. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to put 4 rows of shelves on, and then I'm actually gonna return 2 of these cord covers, because now I only need 1 package. I don't actually need 3. So I am going to return 2 of those, and then we are going to set them up in a row up here. So I think it'll be nice, and I'll have a lot more room, hopefully. And then eventually, if I end up getting more stuff, I can always add another shelf just to, you know, it's always customizable. It's always a work in progress. So here we go. We're gonna empty these shelves, and we're gonna put the new shelves up. Okay, shelves are done. Yay! This is what they look like. So no more of those clear racks, and then that rack is gone over there. So I kind of reorganized this shelf over here. So here we have, I might eventually need to add one more shelf right at the bottom over top of this little thing right here. Because some of them are getting pretty full already. So the top shelf, we have the magpie glitters, which can definitely be put into like 3 rows. Some wildflowers glitters, and then I have the magpie inkies and sherry marble tints, and then the next row is all of my Luxio. So I did 2 tiers, and then the 3rd tier I can fit the mini bottles, which usually when I buy the Luxio collections, I buy them in the mini bottles, so I don't think I have a problem of like adding more towards the end or like scooting these. I just tried to make them kind of in the middle as even as possible, but I usually buy the mini bottles just because then if a color becomes super popular, I can always upgrade and buy the larger bottles. So the second shelf has all of my Luxio. The 3rd shelf has all of my magpie, and then kind of just various different brands that I have, some OPI, different ones. And then at the bottom, I have all of my luminary that was in that drawer, and I have some of the magpie build me ups, and I have all of my stamping polish, which definitely I can fit, you know, more stuff in front of this. So that's all open right now. So I think eventually I'll probably have to have a 5th shelf, but I think this will work out really well. And if I do get more colors and stuff, I'll have a little bit more wiggle room, because before I was just at my maximum capacity, and my drawer is cleaned out now of the luminary. So I've got a little bit more room in my drawers. So that is what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think of this shelf system idea. I think it looks a lot cleaner and nicer. It just looks nicer and more professional. So yes, and thank you to the husband who stayed super late to put them up. But this is what my whole station looks like now. If you want a tour of the new station salon, let me know in the comments if you guys want that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media.